In a Bulb digital portfolio, you can group multiple images in what we call an image carousel, offering smooth transitions and high-class organization and showcasing. To add an image carousel to one of your Bulb pages, click the plus icon in the top left of the editing window. Then click where it says Carousel. From there, you can upload your first image into the carousel by uploading straight from your computer or Google Photos, using images stored in your asset library, connecting Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, or using Unsplash through our web search function. The carousel will now appear in your editing window. Click on the carousel to begin formatting and adding more images. Just like images, you can add a paragraph line above or below with the arrow icons. In the formatting toolbar, you can crop or rotate whichever image is currently being shown in the carousel. Also, you can add transitions to your carousel to give a little more animation when you slide between images. And to add or remove more images to your carousel, click the overlapping squares icons adjacent. If you want to delete the carousel in its entirety, you can click the trash can icon, or if it's selected, you can use the backspace key. You now have everything you need to know to start using image carousels in Bulb.